So we're going to see how you can use Rezona to make games and make memories and all that stuff. Okay, I've already tried to use the app, though for me, I've tried to use it to make an app, so a game, and the game is not that so cool because I think I didn't really do a good prompt, but this app you can try to make your app your games, and you can actually adjust them. You can see a app add to spice this game up, something like that. So let me try to go back to from the start to kind of okay, I think let me say I'm out. So you can really create games. So let me try to go to the dashboard. Okay, so my dashboard, this is an Android version, and these guys have both Apple. Okay, if you're using an iPhone, you can try to get the iPhone version. If you're using Android phone, you can download the Android version. Okay, so I'm using Android, and my first interface, I have this. There are some simple, I think there's some simple games that you can try to play, and something like that. There is search. Okay, there is search here. Okay. Creating community for you, but one of my interesting part is this plus. This is where you can create a new kind of a game. So let me create new. So they'll give you an interface and they'll ask you, so what game are we going to cook? I can tell them, make a game of skipping crocodiles, okay, in a river. It's important to have a good script, because if you give it a simple script, it won't really know what's going to be the challenge and all that stuff. So I'm doing this for demonstration, but in your case, if you're doing if you're trying to create a game in this app, try to have a very detailed prompt so that your app, your game they're going to actually create for you, is actually a bit exact to what you want. So let me try to do this. Let me send. So great, I got what you mean. Let's do it. So we are firing up the game engine and getting the vibes online. So now it's in progress. It's doing its work. You just have to wait, and when it's done, it will tell you it's done. Okay. So let's just give it a few. It just takes a few seconds. Okay. So this app is great, but it still has some bugs when I read about the kind of the reviews. Okay, though still there are people who are really happy. Great platform with lots of creative freedom. I've been able to recreate classic Game Boy style games and more advanced versions easily. Great app. It's fun to use. Okay, I think it's about to finish. Okay. So some people are having issues. I believe maybe for the bugs, these are things that an app can really work on, can try to kind of improve as it goes. So this is the game that it has, I think, gave to me. So I'm not sure where the crocodile is. All right. So anyway, you have time to adjust here. Okay, make crocodiles. I think this is spelling for crocodiles. Make crocodiles look real. So you can adjust a few things like that. So something like that. You can adjust the colors. You can keep on perfecting your game. So that's a cool thing about this. All right. But from the start, the more accurate your prompt is, the more realistic your game is going to look. Now, for me, I just gave it a general thing. So I really don't bring it to bring me aside, something like that. So try to take time to perfect the game. What are going to be the challenges? You know, like things which actually you have to have a good plan for your game. Okay, if you don't have one, try to go to ChatGPT, try to generate a very good prompt to generate a game, try to indicate the challenges that you want people to find in that game, what makes them win, something like that. Does it have levels and all that stuff? So don't just give it like, hey, I want a game for football. Okay, what's up? What's going to be the challenge? How do you want it to be? So these are one of the things that you have to kind of consider. So I think it has generated the app. So now you can see the characters look a bit real. Okay, of course they're not real, but they look more realistic than what it was. I'm having a problem with this thing just falling here down, but so yeah, so this way you can work on the colors, you can work on the sounds and all that stuff, modify, you can, depending on the game that you have done, you can modify the crop distance, river speed, gravity. Now, these settings are actually automatically generated by the app, depending on what you do. If the app is maybe about construction, the settings here will be generated related to that. So don't worry about all this. Okay. So it's kind of a crazy. It's kind of a good app. It's good if you know, if you tell it exactly what you want. Okay. So let me first go up. So all your projects will appear here, what you have done, so you can easily go back and try to edit them, okay? So here are the interactions. I don't have interactions. Let me go to the home. On your home, you can actually swap up. Okay, let me try to swap up. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, so as you swap, there will be other different, I think they're kind of videos and all that stuff. So game has actually mixed of other stuff. Okay, memes for those of you who want memes. All right, you can just swap down, then you see random stuff. Okay, so that's what I can say about this game, about this app. Let me know what you may want to know more about Rezona AI app, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.